Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Creative 2.0 and creating a dedicated island. This gives you a stable runtime. Once done, place the event manager plus core devices, triggers to start moments, sequencers for timed actions, and a player spawner to control entries. Make sure verse scripting is enabled so you can coordinate complex logic. You need permissions set to public or test, depending on the rehearsal phase. These are the foundational components that let you control timing, spawning, and player behavior. Next, you design the event flow. Sketch a timeline that includes intro, main action, transitions, and finale so every device knows its role. Then, write verse handlers to bind triggers to sequencers and spawn waves, control camera cuts, and update UI prompts. This ensures actions run precisely. Make sure to add victory and failure conditions plus automatic resets so the event can loop cleanly. Test each segment locally, iterating timing until player experience feels paced and predictable. Finally, publish your island and schedule the live event. Announce the time and access method so players know how to join. During the run, monitor logs and performance metrics, and be ready to push small verse hotfixes or device toggles to fix timing or spawn issues. If things go wrong, perform a quick restart, apply a backup island version, and clear persistent states to recover. One key tip: keep a rollback copy and a simple reset trigger so you can restore a stable state fast.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.